Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on LG TV. So if you have an LG TV and you want to turn it on, then let me quickly show you what you need to do. To turn on your LG TV, all you simply need to do is come to either bottom left or bottom right of your TV. Locate the power button. So this depends on the type of TV you are using though. So in my own LG TV, what I have is the power button at the bottom left of the TV. So if you press it, and then you should see your LG TV turns on. And again, if your LG TV was turned off using your TV remote, you can also use your TV remote to turn on your LG TV. Mark you, to use your TV remote to turn on your LG TV, you want to make sure that there is an indication here connecting the LG TV remote and the LG TV together. And that is it. So that is basically how to turn on LG TV with button, with remote or without remote. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.